$43,170.32, $5,531, and $4,176. And this is how much people have made on TikTok. And make sure you watch the entire video to find out step by step for free on how you can make this much money on TikTok and which videos to post. And this is through the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. And to be part of this program, you have to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in total in the last 30 days. And the eligible countries include the US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. And take note, videos have to be at least 1 minute long, and videos shorter than a minute will not be part of the program, and TikTok will not pay you for those views. And to create our video, we need a video script, copyrighted free videos, and a voiceover. Relationship fact videos have been getting so many views on TikTok, and it's easy to create, and that's the type of video we'll be showing you how you guys can create. This video is 32 seconds long, and it has over 100,000 likes. It talks about signs someone is in love with you. To create our video script, go on ChatGPT, and we're going to type signs your partner is a green flag. And now we have our script. And it took us less than a minute. Now go on Canva and type in TikTok video, then click on create blank. Then click on the plus sign on the bottom left corner, then click on videos. And type nature mountains. This will give you videos of nature, and you can do any other videos that you like. And then choose a video, and then drag it. And because we want our video to be 1 minute long, and this video is 18 seconds long, we're going to copy it 4 times. Then click on the button on top and click on download, and then download. Now we have our video script and our copyrighted free video. We now need our voiceover. So we're going to copy our script from ChatGPT, and we're not copying all of it because CapCut has a word limit. We're then going to go on CapCut and click on text, and we're going to type signs your partner is a green flag. Then click on text to speech, and we're going to click on American Male, and you can choose any voiceover that you like. We're then going to paste our video script that we created on ChatGPT. Then click on text to speech and click on American Male. And we're going to keep doing this for the rest of our video script. To create our captions, we're going to have to screen record the entire video, and after doing that, click on audio, then extracted, then click on the screen recording. We now have our audio / voiceover, and that's going to help us to create our captions. We're then going to delete our original audio, and we're also going to delete all of the text. Now click on Auto Captions, and we're going to choose the white and green color, but you can choose any text that you like. And we're just going to capitalize the first letter for each word for signs your partner is a green flag. And if you see any spaces or gaps between each text, just drag it along. And then click on the arrow on top to download. And remember, it is possible. All you need is 1 viral video to meet the requirements for this program. Many people have made so much money from this without even showing their face. Remember, you need to be posting 1 to 3 times per day or more to get your viral video. And you need to be consistent, and the results will show. And this is our final video. We used ChatGPT for our video script, Canva for our copyrighted free videos, and Canva for our voiceover and captions. And if you want to know how to create viral Reddit story videos for free for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta and make thousands of dollars each month, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.